Hello, my dear friend, and welcome to another Mind Stiller. A lot of people are having trouble stilling their minds these days. That's why I offer these little tools and hints, little specks of peace. How I get there, how my teachers have taught me how to get there, and I offer it to you because the world needs as many peaceful people as we can get, because there's a lot of challenges and confusion, and it doesn't have to be that way. It's not because of exterior things that we human beings get confused and anxious. It's because of our minds. Our minds can either be our best friend or our worst enemy. And so if you're experiencing any kind of problem, confusion, worry, anxiety, fear of any sort, know that it is within your power, your own human power. Not a superpower, but okay, you can call it a superpower because some people don't use it and don't even believe that they have it, but we all have this incredible power within ourselves to experience life purely without the extraneous rackaroo, I call it. It doesn't have to be your choice. You can choose to be peaceful and calm and steady and train that really mischievous mind of yours to be quiet. And of course, as always, the technique that I use most frequently is breath, but I also use mantra. So today, let's use mantra. Mantra is sacred. It's not just a word that you pick out of the air like hamburger or the name of your cat. It won't have the spiritual pizzazz, the connection to our quest for peace that mankind has always, humankind I should say, not mankind, humankind has always been on since time immemorial. Is that a word? Since time immemorial. So a mantra is best when somebody gives it to you, like a teacher. And now, I don't call myself a teacher. I'm an author. I have wonderful books, and I'm an artist. I do wonderful art, but I also am a meditator who has taught many people. So I will gift you my mantra today. Consider this a gift because it's not given lightly. Yes, it is public. Anybody who sees this can have this mantra. And at one time, this mantra was a very secret mantra, which was only given to people who had to prove that they were worthy of receiving the mantra. And that's ridiculous. At this time and circumstances with what's happening in the world, we need as many peaceful people as we can possibly muster up. So I truly believe that everyone should have access to secrets, secret places that are profoundly peaceful, secret hideaways that only a few know about. Like, come on, this world needs peace. So even something that was once considered so special that it was given in initiation, in ceremony, and only to those who devoted themselves to time, to become pure, to alleviate any kind of addiction, for instance. Really, it doesn't do any good if you're trying to get peaceful and you have an addiction. But just wanting to eliminate or substitute a good addiction for a destructive addiction is the way you begin to have a good addiction instead of a bad addiction, because we humans are all addicted to something. I'm addicted to spirit. I'm addicted to spreading love. I'm addicted to creating beautiful and uplifting things. I'm addicted to gardening. I'm addicted to my husband. I'm addicted to coffee. I'm addicted to breathing. We're all addicted to something. So let's get addicted to feeling peaceful. Let's get addicted to feeling good, which is our choice. We can steady our minds and come into a peaceful place by focusing the mind on a sacred mantra. This mantra is in Sanskrit, Om Namah Shivaya. The way you say it is with the in-breath, Om Namah Shivaya, silently, and silently on the out-breath, Om Namah Shivaya. Breathing in, Om Namah Shivaya. Breathing out, Om Namah Shivaya, at your own pace. It could be slow or fast. Om Namah Shivaya on the in-breath, Om Namah Shivaya on the out-breath. It translates, not literally, but it represents Om, which is the sacred seed sound of a sacred space within us. Nama, I honor, like the way we say namaste in yoga. And Shivaya, which is consciousness. Consciousness, our human consciousness, which is connected to the divine. So when I say Om Namah Shivaya, I'm saying I bow to the divine higher consciousness within myself. Om, I honor my higher consciousness. Om, I honor God within. Om, I honor my choice of being aligned with the sacred. Om, I am that. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 The way we work with mantra is to hold it in our consciousness so that our mind has a chore and it's busy. And if you lose the mantra, if it just floats away and you have stillness, wonderful. Then just be in the stillness of bliss connected to universal consciousness. But if a thought comes and starts saying, oh, what am I doing? I should be doing something else. Then bring the mantra back. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Make this mantra your ticket to the doors of perception, which open when you still the busy, busy mind of everyday life. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Silently, for as long as you wish, for as often as you wish. Even one breath, one repetition will change the way your mind thinks. It'll stop it from thinking. It'll center it in the sacred space of this bliss, bliss, inner bliss. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om 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 Namah Shivaya.